Small and medium enterprises, or SMEs, are the backbone of the Ghanaian economy. They account for a significant portion of employment and contribute immensely to our GDP. Access to financing is crucial for these businesses to thrive. It allows them to expand operations, hire more workers, and contribute even more to national development. However, Ghanaian SMEs often struggle to secure the funding they need. This is where the 2024 election becomes critical. The manifestos of the two leading parties, the NDC and the NPP, offer distinct approaches to tackling this challenge. The NDC manifesto lays out a plan focused on government-led initiatives and targeted support. One flagship proposal is the establishment of a women's development bank. This institution would provide much-needed capital to women entrepreneurs, a group often overlooked by traditional lenders. The NDC also pledges to expand the Ghana Exim Bank. This expansion aims to provide more support to businesses in key sectors like agriculture and manufacturing. Furthermore, the party proposes a national employment trust. This trust would offer tax breaks to new small businesses that create jobs. The NPP manifesto takes a different approach, emphasizing market-driven solutions and technology. A central pillar of their plan is the creation of a dedicated SME bank. This institution would focus specifically on providing financial products tailored to the needs of smaller businesses. The NPP also intends to direct the Development Bank Ghana to prioritize lending to SMEs. To facilitate access to credit, the party proposes implementing a nationwide credit scoring system. This system would help financial institutions better assess the creditworthiness of SMEs. Finally, recognizing the role of technology in financial inclusion, the NPP plans to establish a fintech fund. This fund would support the development of innovative financial technology solutions for SMEs. Section 4. A tale of two approaches: government intervention versus market solutions. The NDC and NPP manifestos present two contrasting philosophies on SME financing. The NDC favors a more interventionist approach, with the government playing a central role in providing funding and support. The NPP, on the other hand, leans towards market-oriented solutions, aiming to create an enabling environment for private sector lending. The NDC's focus on government-backed institutions could lead to quicker disbursement of funds and more targeted support for specific groups like women entrepreneurs. However, there are concerns about potential inefficiencies and politicization that often plague state-run entities. Section 5. Head-to-head, comparing key initiatives. The Women's Development Bank proposed by the NDC could be a game-changer for women entrepreneurs who often face significant hurdles in accessing finance. Similarly, the expansion of the Ghana Exim Bank could provide a vital lifeline to businesses in sectors crucial for economic diversification. On the other hand, the NPP's SME Bank, if well-structured and capitalized, could become a cornerstone of the financial system for smaller businesses. The credit scoring system proposed by the NPP could also be transformative, enabling more SMEs to access credit based on their financial track record rather than collateral. Section 6. The verdict: which path holds the most promise for Ghana's SMEs? Ultimately, the success of either approach will depend on implementation. The NDC's proposals, while ambitious, will require careful planning and execution to avoid the pitfalls of government-led initiatives. The NPP's market-driven approach, while potentially more sustainable, hinges on the effectiveness of the proposed institutions and policies in facilitating lending to SMEs. Ghanaian voters face a choice between two distinct visions. The decision will have a profound impact on the future of our SMEs and, by extension, the nation's economic prosperity.